Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to filter your emails by year in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails so you can work with your full inbox. Now, once your emails have fully loaded, you're ready to start filtering by year. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Go ahead and click on the search bar. This action will expand it and reveal additional filtering options that aren't visible at first glance. These extra options are what make advanced filtering possible in Outlook. After clicking the search bar, you'll notice it opens up with more controls. Look for a drop-down arrow on the right side of the expanded search bar and click on it. This will open up the Advanced Search Filter menu, which gives you access to much more precise filtering options than the basic search function. From the list of fields that appears, locate and click on the Received By dropdown. This field allows you to filter your emails based on when they were received, which is exactly what you need for sorting by year. Once you click on it, a menu of time-based options will appear. From these options, select Last Year. After selecting this, Outlook will start indexing your emails from the previous year. You'll notice a text filter appears that says Received: last year. This is Outlook's default way of showing you what filter is currently active. Now here's where you customize the filter to suit your needs. Simply adjust the text from Received: last year to by year. Once you make this change, you'll see your email messages indexed and organized by year. This makes it much easier to locate emails from specific time periods and keeps your inbox organized chronologically. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your Outlook emails by year, making it simple to find messages from any specific time period you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.